What's up, YouTube? Okay, right now we're gonna review the Bauer vacuum cleaner. This is the smallest of the vacuum cleaner lines that Bauer has. 3 horsepower, wet and dry, 3 gallon, perfect for vacuuming your cars. First, open the bin. It has 2 attachments. This is for the crevices and this is for the carpet. Now, it comes free with filter, of course. Remove this if you want to use it for wet. Now let's try the suctioning power. Let's try the ball testing. That's no. And let's try to get some tiny dust. The carpet. We're gonna use a rug.